Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week we are restoring an outdoor coffee table for my sister.
As we were renovating my sister-in-law's house, hoping that my in-laws would come out to stay in Hawaii, we came across this old table which had a very significant meaning for my sister-in-law. So we decided that we would do something special for her and renovate it, or actually restore it. This is how the table looked after many years of being outside. We begin by disassembling the table.
Enough with the nails and staples already.
We decided the easiest way to remove the finish is to run it through the planer.
A couple boards came apart, so we're gluing them back together.
Now for the fun part, sanding.
Now I have 1 or 2 holes to fill.
More sanding.
Next, we will stain and then cover it with polyurethane.
Now we are finally ready to reassemble.
Now that turned out pretty good, if I do say so myself.
Good grief.
Well, it appears my sister really liked the table. It was intended for her, but also my parents would have been staying at the house, and they would have been a great place for them to sit out in Lanai and put their coffees and watch Waikiki Beach from there. But it's not going to happen. They may change their mind and come back at a later time.
Next week's video, we received a really exciting toy, and we're going to review it. So until then, bye-bye.